Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to My Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious Belgian sweet potato waffles. And if you want to get jazzy, you can add some air fryer chicken on top. I'll be using my Wearing Pro double Belgian waffle maker. First, you got to start off by roasting a large sweet potato. I did this in one of my air fryers. It's going to take about at least an hour to get really nice caramelization on your sweet potato. Once it's cooked, go ahead and carefully peel the skin off. And I'm using my immersion blender to puree the sweet potato. You can mash by hand or you can use a blender. You just want your sweet potato to be nice and smooth like this. So now let's get started on these dry ingredients. We've got some unbleached all-purpose flour, some brown sugar, some baking soda, some kosher salt, some ground cinnamon, some ground nutmeg, followed by a pinch of ground ginger. Now foodies, as always, all ingredients are always listed down below in the description box under the video. So mix all of your dry ingredients together and then set that to the side. Now we're going to measure out our sweet potato. You're going to need 1.5 cups of the mashed sweet potato. And to that, you're going to add in some milk. Gently mix your sweet potato and milk together, and then we are going to add in the secret ingredient, some salted caramel crown royal. Now, if you guys watch my videos, you know I love this stuff. It's so good, but if you don't have it or if you don't want to use it, just add in some vanilla extract. Then we're going to add in some eggs. We're going to lightly beat the eggs and then add in some vegetable oil. So now it's time to add our liquid ingredients to our dry ingredients. You want to mix everything together until it's well incorporated, but you don't want to over mix your waffle batter. Once everything has come together, go ahead and preheat your waffle iron and it's time to get cooking. So I love my Wearing Pro double Belgian waffle maker because I can do 2 big waffles at one time. Here's what they look like when they are all done cooking. And now just serve them up with some maple syrup or some air fryer chicken. I'll have this recipe linked down below and up above. So what did you think of this yummy recipe? Well, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up as it really does help out my channel and helps other foodies find me. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell so you know every time that I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!